Okay, here we are in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're going to look at the issue of welcome to course activities. So what you're going to do is you can see reading and assignments. See that reading and assignments right there. You see that there's read a change that unions need, a nationwide fast food strike on August 29th, and read Michelle Bachmann's minimum wage comments. Now, then you go down where it says first week forum, and I think you can see that right there. First week forum. At the first week forum, people are in the pool, so they're making some noise. At the first week forum, it says the minimum wage forum is due September 1st. So go online, do some research. What is the federal minimum wage? What's the California minimum wage? And then pick one other state. I don't care if you want to pick South Carolina, Alaska, who cares, as long as you pick another state. And what is their minimum wage? And then I want you to figure out what the earnings will be for a 40-hour work week, which many of these people do not get, but a 40-hour work week. When you pick a 40-hour work week, I want you to prepare a budget. Now remember, 30% of everybody's wages go in taxes. So when you add up their 40 hours work week, take out taxes. So then look at what is their budget, how much do they need for housing, food, utilities, car, gas, etc. And how much is left over for entertainment or for new clothes or things like that. So then I want you to go down, and if you look at this, it says, then respond to the statement posted from Michelle Bachmann. So first you're going to look up this minimum wage information. Then you're going to read Michelle Bachmann's statement. Then you're going to respond to it and reading the nationwide fast food strike article. So those three readings and assignments you must read. Then you read the three of those, and then you write at least 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs is always a minimum of 3 sentences. 3 paragraphs and post it. Then read 2 other people in the class, 2 other participants' responses, and reply with at least 2 sentences of pertinent information as to either defending what they say or challenging what they say. So if you look at this, I'm going to slide down here and see if I can show you this in a little bit better. Out here up on forums. So you see here where it says step 1. All right? Step 1 is read the assignment chapter. Step 2 is respond to the above statement or questions. Step 3 is to post your discussions. And it tells you each thing about it. Then step 4 is respond to 2 other people. The grading is 50 points for the response plus 2 respondees to 2 other people, or you're posting and 2 responses. That 50 points you will only receive if you do like above and beyond the call of duty. So don't expect 50 points if you just do the bare minimum. All right. So next I'm going to go, and then it says in red, and I hope you can see where it says in red, failure to follow the above directions will result in no grade. Okay, no grade as in I'm not going to give you a 0, I'm going to not give you a grade. And then if you want to make it up, you can make it up. But if you make it up, you're going to get points off. And it's not going to be like you can make it up the 15th week. So always catch up as fast as you can. Then there's another forum. And if you notice right here, when you look at it, see that little insignia? That means it's a forum. And then you click on this. Now, in order to post these things, you do have to click on where the little forum guy is. So, read the article, A Change Unions Need, and it tells you exactly what to do. The same thing. All right? So, you've got 2 forums for the first week. And then the last assignment is, let's see, what can I find it here? Okay, the last assignment is adding your photo. Now, if you already have a photo, you got the points. But if you don't, put your points up. I don't care if it's a picture of you, or if it's a picture of your dog, or if it's a picture of, somebody on strike, anything that would let us know that it's you. All right? Because it's really important for people to see something when they're responding, because we're online and nobody sees anybody. All right, let's see. The next one is going to be chapter 1. And these are what the chapters look like from now on. All right, there'll usually be What Unions Matter, Chapter 1, a photo, and then it will give you a little blip. Now I'm going to see if I can page up. Oh, and all the rest is not there because it's not open for you to see yet. So that's the basic line. If you have any questions, there is office hours on Thursday, August 29th. Just go to the office hour link, look up the phone number. If you're calling from a landline, you can call the 888 number or the 886 number or 866 number. You can call any of those numbers. If you are calling from a cell phone, you have to call a toll number. So feel free to call on Thursday to ask questions. I'm going to send out about the attendance, and I think we're about done with what would go on in the class. So I think we've got everything. If there's any other questions, I will try and do a little bit more professional as we go along, because this is my first time doing this, but I really wanted to save. It's really difficult. I have to do 4 meetings all the time because people can't make it. So this way you can watch these, but you must watch all 4 of these videos in order to be able to move on to the next part of the class. So goodbye from the setting sun of Phoenix, and I will talk to you at another time.